Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I have this month's Goddess Provisions box for you guys. And as you guys know, this is one of my favorite subscriptions that I receive. I receive so many items that I either just never thought about trying or are just kind of a little bit more eye-opening for me to explore, you know, new items, new things. It's very natural and holistic, and I think it's worth it. Goddess Provisions is a $33 a month subscription box, and you receive about 5 to 7 items every single month, and they are full-size products. So for this month, again, here is the box. It's always their purple little box with their logo, and it's upside down. Smart, Zia. Smart. Okay, and per usual, I don't like to dilly-dally too much, so let's just go ahead and get on into this box for this month. I love their packaging for Goddess Provisions. It's always so nice. So, first thing on top is their card for this month. It says, Open to Love. And we have 7 items for this month. And I'm getting a whiff of something out of this box. It smells really good. And here is the full card. I also love these two. I want to figure out something to do with them because I love the art on these cards, and it just kind of feels stupid just to waste them. So I'm trying to figure out something to do with them. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Okay, so I'm just going to first pull out all of the lovely little worms that are in here. That's all I need. I'm F-door. It's there for a good reason though. Okay, so first item, I don't know why, it must be the Harry Potter in me, but when I first saw this pattern, I thought of a snitch. So here is the front closing of it, and if we turn it around, it says Starseed Jewelry. seedofcreation.com. Okay, I'm gonna take off the little gold sticker that looks like a snitch. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm sorry, I have to show the packaging again, because when you open it, then each of the corners has something written. And oh, the center has something different too. So it says, you are a shimmering light radiant forth as the eternal love of creation. Peace, unity, love, and family. This is so cute. The Seed of Creation necklace, handmade with love in Bali using a lost wax casting process and metal alchemy to combine brass with silver, copper, and gold, creating the ancient Tridatu combination that represents the sacred trinity. It is on a black chain. It's got 3 gold beads, and wow, the center of this is really pretty. So the gold pendant at the bottom has a flowery outer circle with petals all around it, and on the center it has a hexagram or just a 6-pointed star if you prefer. The symbol on the center, I'm guessing, is one of the chakra symbols. I'm not recalling which one this one specifically is. Oh, and it adjusts like that, because I was looking at the cord, I'm like, this is so small. It's one of those, the beads are the ones that you adjust to make it larger. That way you can actually put it on. Because at first I'm like, this is for like a child. Like, how is this supposed to fit me? Oh, that's really cute. I like that. Okay, I'll leave that on for the rest of the video. Okay, next item is something I've actually had before. So I probably won't be opening this one and using it. I might, only because I really like the stones in here, but this might be a gift for a family member. This is the Spirit Whisperings Crystal Grid. It says, place this crystal grid on your altar with the intention to give and receive unconditional love. So I'll have to see what the other one that I have says for that month. I'm a little curious what the differences between the two are because my other one was purple and this one's green. So here's a close-up. It's a green circle, and the stones at the bottom are really, really interesting. They're very natural. So some of them kind of look like marble, white, black, and clear. Okay, next item. It's a little roll-on is what it looks like. JuJu. Which one's JuJu? It says Good JuJu Apothecary Heart Oil. Roll on this aromatherapy blend made with arnica herb, soothing essential oils, and emerald gemstones to balance the heart chakra and ease aches and pains. Oh, so are there like little stones in here? Oh, this is pretty. Oh, there are little stones. You guys can see that at the bottom. If not, I'll do a little close-up later. But there's stones that are settled at the bottom here that are just moving. Let's do it on yours. That is strong, but that smells good. I'm sorry, give me like 5 minutes. I'm going to my happy place. So for ingredients, it says wild crafted coconut oil, organic jojoba oil, organic arnica flowers, organic essential oil blend, vitamin E, and emerald gemstones. Next one, ooh, I like that for this month. A lot of the items are kind of like body health in that way, or cleansing or cleaning. So this is Heart Yogi Soap. Joco Botanicals Soap. Bathe in love, empathy, and compassion when you use this crystal charged bar soap featuring essential oils of pine, tangerine, and Peru balsam. Oh, I smell the pine. Like, it smells good, but I'm confused. You know, I grew up smelling pine actually quite a bit. It was one of my mom's favorite smells, and it was something that I wasn't a huge fan of, but so that's probably something that's kind of deterring me from this soap. But with the tangerine added, it's so sweet. Ooh. This one I'm excited for too. Okay, so this is the Lizush shower steamer. Place in the shower or in a bowl of hot water and breathe in the eucalyptus vapor to nourish and soften your heart center. I am super excited for this because in all honesty, like I do like taking baths, and especially I used to love it around like high school for some reason. I love just being in there and like reading a book or something, but I hate bathtubs that you usually have in homes nowadays. Yes, I know it's a safety feature, but they only fill up so far, and when you get bigger and you're not a little kid anymore, you can't really enjoy them because it doesn't cover. I don't know, it's annoying. Like, I love baths, but I want like one of those big like clawfoot tub baths. Like, oh, I don't care if it's got jacuzzi things, I just want a big bath that I can actually like be in and be warm. But most of the time I'm taking showers, and of course they're quicker, they're faster. People always think it's cleaner too, in a sense. So to get a little shower steamer like this, I just put up on the floor and take a shower, and it smells good. I wouldn't put this whole thing in. I feel like I could cut this up into little pieces and then kind of use it. That way it's not like a full one-time use, kind of like a bath bomb. Because I've seen people like cut up bath bombs too. So that's possible. And I love that this is eucalyptus. Stop! Go somewhere else. And I'm so happy that this one is actually eucalyptus, because that has been one of my favorite essential oils to be using lately. It smells so good, and it's very calming. It's very, very calming. I am planning on doing an essential oil like video for you guys in the future, kind of going through a couple different health benefits and such like that with them. So stay tuned for that. Here is the stone for this month. This one is Amazonite, which is known as a stone of hope and courage. This is a great crystal to soothe the soul, place on your chest to cleanse and heal the heart. As you guys know, I love getting my stones and crystals from Goddess Provisions, and I like that I'm getting a good variety of them, and they're not too bad even if you were to purchase these separately. Like, this one's only $4 for this little stone. I do have a bunch of these I've collected from my boxes. I might be placing them somewhere. I might put them up here or down here. I don't know. I might be displaying them because they've been cooped up in a little bag for a while. So for this month, the stone is a very light green, almost a white pigment, and it doesn't have a lot of, I guess you'd say, eye texture to it. It's very smooth in color all over. Very, very pretty. On the picture though, it does look more green. Mine, it just looks a bit more white. I can still tell there's green in it, but I don't know if that's just a variation with it. Okay, and sadly we are on to the last item for this month. And again, they put it in a nice little packaging. I'm so thankful for it. Sacred Heart Spirit Element Body Oil. Massage this moisturizing body oil scented with lavender, rosewood, sandalwood, and lemon into your skin, or add a few drops to a bath or candle for a heart healing ritual. The liquid is green. Oh my god, there's glitter! Oh my god, there's glitter in it! I feel like such a little kid, but like it was all the glitter settled somewhere because it's been sitting in the box for so long. So I didn't notice it till I started moving it around. But there's glitter! I need help. Yeah, so that should look better now. If you guys can see the glitter. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, so there's still some stuck on the back of it. I can smell the sandalwood in there, but I think I might have to put some on to really smell the rest of it. I mostly smell the sandalwood and the lemon. Those are like the two most prominent scents that I'm smelling from this oil. It smells really good. It's not like sticky or anything, and it's not like super oiled where it's like kind of nasty on your hand. It's actually really, really nice. Like it's making my skin soft without like a lot of like residue or it transferring too much. And I can definitely tell the areas that I've put this on and the areas I haven't. I didn't put any lotion today, so my skin is definitely rougher like around my wrist than it is like on the back of my palm now. Like, wow. I feel weird like sitting here petting myself, but this is so soft. Now it is time for the fun part where the math comes in, because I always like to add up each of the values for every single item just to see of how much like this box is worth for this month. So it looks like our grand total for this month is $89 for the entire box. So that means if you were to purchase every single one of these items separately, it would have come up to $89. So that is definitely a great value for this box. So in all, you save like $56. Well, that is all that I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, then please subscribe. Thank you.